I dreaming?
You're in Oz. Aren't you the great man we've been waiting for?
There's a world where witches rule the northern skies, where ice bears are the bravest of warriors, and where every human is joined with an animal spirit who is as close to them as their own heart.
Are we going to see the child?
I should think so.
But this world is dominated by the Magisterium, which seeks to control all humanity, and whose greatest threat is a golden compass and the one child destined.
I'd cross the wall and I'd bring you back that one star.
You can't cross the wall. Nobody crosses the wall. Now you're just being silly.
I'd do it.
It seems we have ourselves an agreement.
Why, may I ask, were you trying to cross the wall?
I might ask you the same thing.
Madam, sorry, this may seem strange, but have you seen a fallen star anywhere? We're in a crater. This must be where it fell.
Yeah, this is where it fell.
You're the star. You're the star? Really? Oh, wow.
Only he of royal blood can restore the ruby. And the one of you that does so shall be the new king of Stormworld.
Any of these rumors going around about a fallen star? Everyone's talking about it.
4 centuries we've waited for this.
Never fear, my sisters. When I return with our prize, all of us shall be young again.
This is the part where you tell me who you are and why you're up here.
We're just trying to make our way home.
Has excessive begging or pleading ever persuaded me to spare the life of a traitor?
And the glory of our youth shall be restored.
I know what you are. You want to know what the captain really whispered to me that day? He told me that my true love was right in front of my eyes. And he was right.
It was Toto that made Dorothy laugh. He was a little black dog with long silky hair.
Toto! You're gonna get me in trouble.
This is the story you have been waiting to hear.
Maybe you'll find it him.
Find what?
That book you're always looking for.
What if you had the power to bring a book to life?
Big heart.
Simply by reading it aloud.
Dustfinger. Traveling fire juggler with magical powers.
Your voice brought them out of the book.
But what if one book you brought to life
I'm here to warn you. You should be more careful.
took you to another world?
It's just like the illustration in the book.
It's hideous. Man's got no taste whatsoever.
Take him to the dungeon. Lock him up.
Unicorn. Flying monkeys. What is this place?
You want to go home? I'm here to help.
And how do you intend that we escape?
The mighty storm?
Now, to get back home, they must escape from the book.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
For years, our world has been at peace. But
Something is coming. I can feel it. Dark forces are upon us.
Find these beasts, or whatever they are.
Our world is dying. There is nothing to go back to. If our people are to survive, we must make a home here.
Whatever happens.
Whatever happens. If we do not unite, our world will perish.
This doesn't need to happen. There is one who may help us.
For orcs, there is no other life but war. No, but with the humans' help, there could be.
Why are you here?
To save our people.
Can we trust him?
They're beasts. They should all be destroyed.
Are you sure about that? We'll protect the kingdom. You and I.
You'd side with the humans against your own kind.
This is suicide.
We have no choice. We should attack with full force.